Hi everyone, welcome to my Autodesk screencast. My name is Dzan Ta and I work for Repro Products in Smyrna, Georgia. I'm an Autodesk certified instructor and hold many certifications in multiple Autodesk products for the AEC industry. I hope you enjoy my screencasts. If you'd like to see more of my screencasts, please search for VAR 2015, that's VAR 2015, or my name. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up after you watch it. In today's screencast, we'll be taking a look at how to install Building Design Suite software, whether it's standard, premium, or ultimate, any version, on your computer when for some reason it won't install. The scenario is as follows. We have clients that purchase the software, they go to install it, they run the setup, it goes through the process of installing, it gets to like 90% of the way or so, and then it fails. And it says not installed, gives you big red X's. And sometimes it will give you an installation log, sometimes it doesn't. If you get the opportunity to click on the installation log file, you can scroll down and see where it shows it's failing. Where it is failing, 9 times out of 10, is it's not allowing, the computer is not allowing the installation to occur because there are certain files that are on the installation disk, if you will, that are older than what's on the computer. These files that I'm talking about are your .NET and C++ redistributable files. So, when this occurs, the way to do an install of Building Design Suite software is as follows. If possible, start with a clean computer, just a Windows 7 or operating system or higher. No antivirus, no malware, Office, .NET, so on and so forth. Then it's very clean install, works without a problem. If that's not the case, which is 99% of the time, you will need to do a remove all of your Autodesk software that did not install properly via a clean uninstall. And there is a link for how to do a clean uninstall of Autodesk software. Once you've done this, you need to remove all the files located in your Windows temp folder and your application data local temp folder of your user, because there are a lot of cache files that are created and they need to be cleaned out as well. After this is finished using Windows Explorer, you need to go ahead and remove all of your .NET and C++ redistributable files from 2005 all the way up to current. You can use Control Panel to do this. There are also some utilities that you can get from Microsoft. They're just basically removal tools that you can get, download, install, and run it, and it will remove all the .NET and C++ files. When this is finished, reboot your computer. Then run your .NET cleanup utility by getting that from Microsoft. Some people like working with registry cleaners, some people don't. If you choose to use a registry cleaner, the one that I found that 90% of the time works fine and doesn't give any conflicts is CCleaner. You can pull that off of cnet.com/downloads. If you don't want to work with the registry cleaners, then don't worry about it. Step 6 is optional. Number 7, install your BDSU software. No updates and just if necessary, one software at a time. In other words, just put a check mark for AutoCAD. Let it go through, let it get the installation done, then do Revit, then do AutoCAD architecture, so on and so forth. I know it's arduous, but sometimes, it's very rare, 2 out of 10 times, you will have to do that. But typically, you can just say check everything and install everything at one shot. If everything installs properly, then do a Autodesk software update, and you can go to do that by going to Start, All Programs, Autodesk, and there is a folder for Autodesk Application Manager, and click Autodesk Application Manager. This window will pop up. You can click Update Software, and it will drill through and find all of the Autodesk software you own, and click check marks for them, and click Install. Back here, now that you've done the Autodesk update of the software, reboot your computer. Then when it comes back up, you can install all of your antivirus, spyware, malware, things like that. Then do a Microsoft update, and you do that because you want to get the latest versions of .NET and the latest versions of C++ that are more current than the ones that were initially installed from the installation disk. Reboot the system. You should be fine. 9.5 out of 10 times, these instructions ultimately give you the ability to install the software without a hiccup. If it doesn't, gather all the log files, write down every step that you've taken, and either call Autodesk tech support, email them, or call your local reseller, and hopefully it's us, Repo Products, and we will help you getting it up and running. That's it. This is a screencast on my technical notes on how to install Building Design Suite software if for some reason it does not install. Thank you very much for watching my screencast, and please don't forget to give me a thumbs up.